हेलो एवरीवन, मैं निकिता आप सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ एफसीआई की ओर से फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया अवार्ड्स।
अरे भाई आपने मेरे बिना शुरू कर दिया, मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन कर रहा हूँ भाई।
आप कौन?
मेरे बारे में नहीं जानते? मैं मशहूर चिराटे अपने गुलाटी का नाम तो सुना होगा।
हाँ,
मैं उसका छोटा भाई मशहूर चिराटे। अच्छा, इस नाम के पीछे की मैं कहानी सुनाता हूँ आपको। भाई हम एक हॉस्पिटल में एक ही दिन पैदा हुए। भाई गुलाटी मारता हुआ पैदा हुआ, मैं चिराटे मारता हुआ। खैर मेरी कहानी ऐसे चलती रहेंगे। तुम बताओ कि ये एफसीआई क्या है?
एफसीआई है फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया अवार्ड्स। ये एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर हम लोगों को उनके अच्छे काम के लिए अवार्ड दे रहे हैं।
अरे वाह, मतलब मुझे भी ये अवार्ड मिल सकता है?
आपने क्या अच्छा किया है?
भाई मैंने भी बहुत अच्छे काम करे हैं। मतलब मैंने घर पे रख के झाड़ू लगाया, मैंने पोंछा लगाया। एक बार तो मैंने पूरी कॉलोनी में पोंछा लगा दिया भाई।
चिराटे जी, ऐसे अच्छे काम नहीं, हम उन अच्छे कामों की बात कर रहे हैं जो कि लोगों ने सोशली करे हैं, अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए करे हैं, अपने कल्चर के लिए किए हैं, अपने लोगों के लिए किए हैं ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक, कोरोना के टाइम में।
अच्छा, ये बात है। तो फिर हमें भी उनसे मिलवाओ जिन्होंने इतने अच्छे अच्छे काम करे हैं भाई।
जी बिल्कुल, मैं आपको और आप सभी को भी लेकर चलने वाली हूँ वहाँ जहाँ पर हैं हमारे अवार्डीज फॉर कोरोना वॉरियर्स, द रियल सुपर हीरो 2020।
Moving towards the first and foremost awardee, Dr. Anil Toche sir, the neurotherapist from Mumbai. He used to call his patients every week just to motivate them during the pandemic. Not just that, he also uploaded videos for Raj Yoga meditation for storming the mental health. The next awardee we have with us is Mr. Siva Reddy sir, Head Renal Care Hyderabad. He supported 1,500 families in Dhaka by providing them with medicines and 2,000 masks. And he also supported for the COVID positive patients for dialysis at his own center. Now we have with us is Mr. Pankaj Chaudhary, the founder of Jai Sarvadanya Academy from Pune, Maharashtra. He availed drinking water to different police departments and also kept free online classes for the students of 10th and 12th. Now the next awardee we have with us is the beautiful lady Sharmishta Basu, the psychologist from Havra. She tried to keep her locality safe by providing sanitizing services as well as free psychological services to the people during this pandemic. Now the next awardee is Hostel Welfare Officer. Yes, he is a dignitary from Nalgonda, Mr. Kolu Balkrishna. Sir, along with his son Dhanush, work for needy people in slums near them. He also provided 200 packets of food to the migrant labor. Now we have Mr. Prakash Hidao sir, the founder and president of Astitva Foundation from Nagpur, Maharashtra. During this pandemic where the people were facing a lot of issues, our Yodhas were fighting on the roads. He used to support them and provide them services so that they can continue their functioning well. Now we have with us is Mr. Durlabh Tripathi sir. He's a social activist from Murshidabad, West Bengal. During this pandemic, he provided his society with ration and different medical services. So, your hard work is valuable to us. Next we have with us is AMB Dr. Govind Tasme Mahindran. He is the social activist from Salman, West Tamil Nadu. He worked as a home guard for the people from March 31st till now. He taught people the importance of social distancing and wearing masks. Every awardee is important to us, just like Mr. Prashant Tupkari, the district media officer from Hingoli, Maharashtra. He ensured not only the patients who are being suffering from COVID, but also the healthcare workers shall be informed their medical conditions to the hospital authorities for them and get posted only in non-COVID areas. The beautiful girl Tanushri Banerjee, the entrepreneur from Kolkata, West Bengal. She provided people with free online support on Zumba and yoga using the Zoom app, which not only boosted the immunity system of the people, but also supported them to gain the motivation.
और ये थे हमारे अवार्डीज।
अरे वाह, मतलब बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है एफसीआई तो। लेकिन मुझे एक बात बता निकिता कि सिर्फ 10 नाम कैसे?
रुको जरा, सब्र करो। ये तो सिर्फ थे 10 नाम और इसके आगे ढेर सारे अवार्डीज अभी बाकी हैं।
अरे इससे पहले तुम और अवार्डीज के नाम बताओ। मेरे दिमाग में एक छोटा सा सवाल है, मैं पूछ सकता हूँ?
हाँ पूछो।
यार मुझे एक चीज समझ नहीं आ रही भाई, लॉकडाउन जब लगा तो सब लोग अपने घर पे हैं, तो मतलब कपल्स भी घर पे हैं, तो उनमें तो बहुत सारा प्यार बढ़ गया होगा।
वो कैसे?
मतलब मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो मुझ में और मेरी वाइफ में बहुत प्यार बढ़ गया। मतलब रोज सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में 2 चट्टे प्यार से लगाती है। मतलब शाम होते होते तो प्यार इतना बढ़ जाता है कि मेरी आंखों से प्यार भरे आंसू निकलने लगते हैं।
चिराटे जी, आपने तो कमाल ही कर दिया इस कोरोना के टाइम पे। चाटे भी खाए और चिल्लाते भी रहे। चिराटे जी, आपका लॉकडाउन तो चिल्लाते और डांट खाते ही निकल गया, पर आप सबको मैं लेकर चलती हूँ अपने अगले अवॉर्डीज की ओर।
Next we have is Mr. Shalendra Yadav, social activist from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. He educated people about the awareness of pandemic, and his organization distributed 3,000 plus food packets to the people. Also distributed 6,000 ration packets to needy families during the lockdown. Mr. Mohammad Ariful Aslam, Assistant Enforcement Inspector from Kamrup, Assam. He helped the people to arrange the buses and other vehicles for corona patients. Not only that, but also the people traveling from another states. He also performed his duties during the lockdown on the streets. आपके इस जज्बे को हम सलाम करते हैं। Chaitali Mondal, nutrition consultant from Kolkata, West Bengal. She provided services to the people in her hospital to the patients suffering from COVID-19 and also provided food and medical support to the people who were affected by the Amphan cyclone. Now we have with us is Jivala Sanstha, the NGO from Yavatmal, Maharashtra. Now we have with us is Mr. Ravi Kiran Tirupurna. He is a social activist from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. He served the needy with food and also donated blood. He also counseled about the COVID situation to the people. Now we have Mr. Furqan Khan, the founder and president of Bunyad Sanstha from New Delhi. He, with his volunteers, collected a large number of donations from the people and provided the services to the needy ones. Mr. Sharnik Patel, a social worker from Sangli, Maharashtra. He distributed educational material to the children of the orphanage every year and also support the old age people in the old age home. Mr. Manoj Jain, the social worker from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. From the morning tea till the bedtime food, he fed 200 to 300 people every day. Sai Hansika Chakrat, child artist and social activist from Hyderabad, Telangana. She served the film industry and the makeup artist, the family of 40s during the lockdown, with kgs of ration at her village. Now we have Dr. Rajesh Kumar Nanglia from Ayush Medical Officer, Junjunu, Rajasthan. He taught people how to boost the immunity system by Ayurveda and also provided shelters to the migrants for 14 days during the home isolation.
ये थे हमारे अमेजिंग से अवॉर्डीज। कोरोना में इन्होंने तो बहुत अच्छे काम किए। आपने क्या किया चिराटे जी?
मैंने लॉकडाउन को बहुत अच्छे से यूटिलाइज किया है।
वो कैसे?
मतलब मैं आपको पूरे गणित अच्छे से समझाता। लॉकडाउन से पहले मेरे सारे बाल जो है वो सफेद थे, लेकिन लॉकडाउन में मैंने इतने नाखून घिसे मेरे सारे बाल वापस से काले होने लग गए। मैं जवान रहा भाई।
चुराटे जी, आपके जवान होने के लिए और आपके चाटे खाने के लिए हम ये लॉकडाउन सिर्फ आपके लिए थोड़ा और बढ़ा देते हैं, पर आप सब बोर मत होइए। आप सभी को मैं लेकर चलती हूँ अपने अगले अवॉर्डी की ओर।
Mr. Chirag Bhatt, the filmmaker and the social activist from Navsari, Gujarat. He made 2 short films on social awareness during the pandemic and also kept webinars to motivate the students and parents. Dr. Isaac Raj Alanka, CEO, Touching Heart Life Solutions from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. He's taking care of 8 states with his state for food security, water, sanitization, and hygiene services for those who are worstly affected. Now we have Mr. Ankush Prakash, the business retail store, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. He provided with groceries from morning 8 to 10 p.m. to each and everyone requiring it. Dr. Brijesh Vairappa, dental implant surgeon from Bengaluru, West Karnataka. He, being the Corona warrior, is working as doctor at COVID Care Center and managing the mild symptomatic COVID positive patients. Now we have with us Mr. Mohsin Sheikh, the hotel management degree holder from Maharashtra. While all of us were looking after the needy and poor people, he fed street dogs, moreover 50 a day. We appreciate your good work. Dr. Abhinandan Mondal, Resident Medical Officer from Kolkata, West Bengal. He was posted in COVID-19 isolation ward at Calcutta. He treated above 3,000 patients wearing PPE kit for 8 hours per shift. Now we have with us Shri Mohan Meena sir, Government Officer from Jaipur, Rajasthan. He served the society being the Police Inspector SHO Ashok Nagar. Apart from that, he also provided the food to the needy people. Nilesh Wagh, Hospital Pharmacist from Thane, Mumbai. He provided with water and biscuits for the 10 days to the migrants traveling from his place to the village. Also, the regular medicines were provided by him. Thank you so much, sir. We really appreciate your hard work. Now we have with us Advocate Shubham Gajanan Kalvalkar, social activist from Amravati, Maharashtra. He with his team did a tremendously amazing work taking care of labor students, those who were stuck in the various parts of the country. Last awardee, but not the least one, Mr. Deepak Kumar Tang, online activist from Delhi. He is a professional choreographer. He provided people with online yoga sessions, aerobic sessions, and many more. Thank you so much, sir. We appreciate your hard work.
अरे भाई वाह, मतलब ये देखकर तो मेरा भी मन कर रहा है कि मैं भी पार्टिसिपेट करूं। क्या मैं कर सकता हूँ?
चिराटे जी, आप तो पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते, पर आप सभी जरूर कर सकते हैं पार्टिसिपेट।
अरे तो भाई इंतजार किस बात पे कर रहे हो? जल्दी से जाओ, रजिस्टर करवाओ। हैं? जी
बिल्कुल, हमारे रजिस्ट्रेशंस ओपन है फॉर द रियल सुपर वुमेन 2020।
अरे पर कहाँ पे?
www.fcr.in
या फिर हमारे ऑफिशियल नंबर पे आप कॉल करके भी डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं। लेकिन नंबर
यहाँ। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन। मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करती हूँ और मिलते हैं आप सभी से अगले वीडियो में।
तब तक स्वस्थ रहिए, ध्यान रखिए अपना और गर्म पानी पीते रहिए। थैंक यू।